Have you ever looked at your life and thought, what am I even doing? Scrolling for hours, binge watching content, ghosting your own goals, watching everyone else level up while you stay stuck. And the worst part, you know exactly what you should be doing it, but you're not just doing it. Few years ago, it was me as well. Ambitious, capable, but completely stuck. Until I hit a point in my life where I couldn't take anymore. So I did something drastic. I reset my entire life. And over time, I went from no job to 6-figure career, no direction and purpose to build to 15k channel, unhealthy and sick to best shape of my life. And in this video, I'm giving you the exact 6-step system so you can follow over the next 30 days and take control of your life and finally become the person that you've always wanted to. But listen carefully now. If you skip the very first step, nothing else in this video will work for you. Step 1. Control your environment. You don't like discipline. You are just set up to fail. I used to sit at my desk thinking, today I'll focus, but within 10 minutes, phone is in my hand, YouTube open, snacks next to me, and I would think, what's wrong with me? Nothing. Absolutely nothing is wrong with me. What happened there was my environment was stronger than my intention, because your brain doesn't follow motivation, it follows cues. If your phone is visible, you'll check it. If your space is messy, your mind feels messy. And if distractions are easy, distractions always win. Every time. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your environment. So here's your reset today. Clean your room completely. Clear your desk and have only essentials. Delete or log out of the biggest time-wasting apps. Turn off non-essential notifications. Keep your phone out of reach when you work. And create one place that is only for focus. No scrolling, no distractions, just work. Make bad habits harder and make good habits easier in your life. Because once you fix environment, your focus gets easier. But something strange happens now. You are in a clean setup, everything is fixed, but you don't do the work. And that's when you think, maybe I'm just lazy. But you're not. You are just depleted. And that's what we'll solve next. Step 2. Fix your body. Now pay attention here. You are not lazy, you are just exhausted. I used to think I had no motivation as well, but if I looked at my life in zoom out perspective, I was sleeping at random times, waking up tired, surviving on 4-5 coffees, no food or just junk, and expecting myself to completely focus. And of course, I couldn't. That's not lack of discipline or motivation, that's self-sabotaging. You are just trying to build discipline on top of exhaustion. Poor sleep is worst decisions. No movement, low energy. No food or bad food is brain fog. The reason that you're stuck is because you are trying to change your whole life on a 20% battery. So fix your baseline starting today. Sleep at the same time, wake up at the same time. No screens before bed or after waking up. Get sunlight early. Move daily. Walk or train. Drink water first thing in the morning. Keep food simple and balanced. You don't need perfection. You need stable energy throughout your day, because once your energy comes back, you feel more clearer and control of yourself. But at the same moment, your brain also starts craving for stimulation again. And if you don't fix that next, you will fall back into the same loop. Step 3. Cut and replace inputs. Right now, your brain is overstimulated. Scrolling, reels, constant noise. There were days I was opening my phone just for 2 minutes and suddenly 2 hours, 3 hours were just gone. And I didn't even feel good after that. Just drained, moody and irritated. And here's what's happening of why you can't focus anymore. Your brain adapts to fast stimulation. So real work feels boring and your brain avoids it every single time. So we reset it this way for the next 30 days. No phone for the first 30 to 60 minutes after waking up. No random scrolling during work hours. And stop binge consuming content. And now, don't just remove it, replace it. Read daily, learn or listen to something useful. Move your body every day. Have hobbies or activities. Journal or just sit in silence. Yes, silence. Because your brain right now cannot handle being still. You are not addicted to your phone. You are addicted to not being bored. And once you fix that, your mind gets quieter and clearer. And that's when you finally face this question of what am I doing with my life right now? Step 4. Define clear direction. Be honest. You don't actually know what you're working towards, right? Everything feels important and you end up doing nothing. And that's why you feel stuck. Because clarity isn't about doing everything, it's about choosing what actually matters and ignoring the rest. Right now, your goals are way too vague. I want to be successful means nothing. Your brain cannot act on that. It needs something more specific. So pick 1 to 2 priorities: health, career, or a skill. Then define it clearly. What exactly are you doing, by when, and what success looks like. Not get fit, but work out 5 days a week for next 30 days at 7 a.m. Now your brain knows exactly what to do and execution becomes easier. But here's the problem. Knowing isn't enough. Doing is what actually changes your life. And that's what we'll solve next. Step 5. Build daily actions. Listen, this is very important. You don't need more motivation. You need a system that works on your bad days. Because bad days will happen no matter what. I used to plan perfect routines, miss one day, and then I completely quit. So here's what works to not let that happen to you. Every day, pick 3 important tasks, schedule them in your calendar, do them at the same time. Start even small, just for 15 minutes. That's it. Because your life is not built on motivated days, it's built on days you don't feel like it but still show up. Understand that consistency beats intensity always. Here, you are not building perfect days, you are building a system that survives your real life. And over time, you start trusting yourself again. Step 6. Track and repeat. And this is the step that most people skip, and it's exactly why nothing sticks. Because change doesn't happen when you try it once on a good mood. It happens when you show up consistently for days, months, years and years. So make it simple. Track your day. Did you sleep on time? Did you move? Did you complete the 3 tasks? And did you avoid distractions? That's it. And it just takes 2 minutes of your time. And then once a week, review it. What worked, what didn't, and what needs to be changed. And follow this one rule for maximum consistency. Never miss twice. 1 bad day is normal, but 2, that becomes a pattern. You have to reset it immediately. Because every time you follow through this plan, you build a solid proof for yourself. And that's what changes your entire identity. If you follow this for the next 30 days, your life won't look the same. Not because it's magic, but you have fixed what was finally holding you back. And most people will watch this, feel motivated, and do nothing. But if you're really serious, start today and comment reset below. Because in 30 days, you either become someone who follows through or someone who keeps starting over. And if you don't want to fall back in a week in this 30 days challenge, go watch my video on discipline next.